Yo, what's going on guys? Kieran Cunt Yo-Yo here, back with another tutorial. In today's tutorial, I've got a super cool star trick for you. Here's what it looks like from my perspective. Bang. Couple things before we get into this video. I'm pretty sure Jack Hudpath made the star even. So I'll leave a link to him down below. I really hope I'm saying his name right. Second of all, I'm using the Deviant Plus for this tutorial. And third of all, this video is sponsored by Yoyo UK. So you can head on over there and use code Kieran5 for 5% off. Okay, let's get right into this tutorial. So to start off with, you're going to roll into just your basic double or nothing. But as you're rolling in, you're actually going to do like a wrap around your wrist, doing the pinky ring finger pinch as well. So pinching, wrap, almost like you've just come out of this trick, right? So it's just a little wrap like so. So it starts just in, out, and then wrapped. And then you're going round into your double or nothing. From here, you're going to roll into this top string, going that way, like so. So towards your non-throw hand, like so. And as you roll round, you're going to try and grab this string with your thumb, like so. That should look like that. And then from there, you can roll onto that front string. Okay, from here, you're going to pinch this slack and then throw it around, like so, onto your non-throw hand thumb. It's actually not too difficult. It looks quite hard, but it isn't. Basically, all that's happening is you're releasing off this thumb, and then you're just giving it a little bit of momentum to catch it back on the thumb. From here, you're going to grab this string. You see how there's like a kamikaze, and then just this lone string. You're going to grab that with your thumb, and then pop the yo off the front, and then in between these two strings, like so. If you don't want to go over, you want to go underneath, right? So the string connected to your middle finger should be going round like this configuration. From here, you're going to underpass this front string, or the string the yo-yo's on. You're just going to underpass and take the yo-yo off, like so. Then you're going to roll the yo-yo into this second string here, right? Like so. And then land it. So you're going to do that sort of pop, which should land you on the front string. You can then drop your index finger on your non-throw hand, like so, and then put your wrist through this configuration that you've got formed here. As you can see, this is like a wrist mount with a twist in it, and obviously still connected to your thumb. And what you can do from there is open the wrist mount up, like so. You're just putting your finger against that and opening it. Then you can hop the yo-yo onto this front string, making sure to land it on the right side, right, like so. And then you can pull your wrist through the configuration again. And you should notice that there are 4 strings, 2 on your thumbs and 2 on your index fingers. If you pull them apart, that should form the star. And then you can drop the 2 strings on your thumb, drop this index finger string whilst pinching, and you can create a reverse green triangle, which you can then bind from. And yeah, that is the whole tech combo. Sorry I made a bit of a waffle out of it. I'll go over it one more time for you now though. So, wrap, double or nothing, roll over, into the kamikaze, slack round, thumbs, and then underpass, wrist mount, pop up, star, and then reverse green triangle, bind. So yeah, that's the whole video. If you've got any questions or anything, let me know down below. Otherwise, yeah, peace.